This recipe I literally bake every week because children adore this bread for breakfast. If you have some overly ripe bananas at home that no one wants to eat, they will be perfect for this recipe. Also, you will need some butter, sugar, baking soda, egg room temperature, flour, chopped nuts and dried fruits. But before we start, let's preheat the oven and prepare the form. We will use only one bowl, whisk and maybe spatula. In a large mixing bowl, mash 3 large overripe bananas. You can do it with a fork or potato masher. Mash bananas until completely smooth. Melt the butter. Stir it in the mashed bananas until well combined. Add sugar and baking soda. Stir until smooth consistency every time. Add the egg and whisk. Now it is the time to pour flour and whisk again. At this stage the batter becomes more dense and usually I change the whisk with a spatula. Add any types of seeds or nuts and chopped dried fruits. Stir it for the last time until well combined. Usually this recipe takes about 20 minutes to make a dough and about 55-60 minutes for baking. You will get a quite dense batter that doesn't fall down. Pour the batter in the prepared form and spread it. And now my secrets that really change the game. I always add crumble topping. Sure, you can skip it, but please try even once. Bake in preheated oven about 55 minutes until any cake taster inserted into the center comes out clean. Leave baked bread in the pan for 10-15 minutes and then remove and let cool completely before serving. Feel free to ask me any question about this recipe in comments.